One application of the FARO scan arm is non-contact inspection to CAD. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to hard probe datum planes on this particular part, align to the CAD model of it, and then do a non-contact inspection comparing the data that we collect with the LLP to the CAD model. Let's begin in the software. From the button in the upper left, select Import and choose the CAD model that you'd like to compare to. With the CAD model imported, we're now going to hard probe our datum features to align to our part. From the Hardware tab, select Hard Probe Features. And for this application, we're going to use 3 planes. Select Plane, now with the arm, we're going to make sure the white ball is in contact with the part, press the green button to record a point, and repeat that process to record data on each of the 3 planes. And the last plane. Now with the 3 planes recorded on the part itself, we're going to use those to align to the CAD within the software. Select OK to close the dialog. From the Features menu, choose Quick Feature. To center the model on the screen, choose Fit to View. Activate Quick Feature, and with the mouse, select each of the planes. Deselect Quick Feature, and from the Alignment menu, choose Feature-Based Alignment. As you can see, we have our part defined on the left and our measurements on the right. To align these, we're going to select the pairs. By choosing Auto, it creates these pairs for us by linking the ones with common names. Select OK, and we're now aligned to our part. You can choose the view that best represents your application, and then go back to the Hardware tab. Select FARO Plugin and Laser Compare. Choose Initialize, and in the scanning options, choose Start Capture. Now that we're aligned to the CAD model for this part, we can begin scanning it and see a real-time comparison to the CAD model. Select the green button to activate the scan. Notice on the screen the real-time comparison and color mapping that you're getting for your results. Also, you can notice with the virtual camera where you may have missed data, and you can go back and collect that data again. Within the software dialog, you can adjust the scale by choosing Edit Spectrum and the tolerances that best represent your part. This can help you identify where your part is in and out of tolerance as compared to CAD. In this video, you saw how to align with hard probe features to the CAD model for your part and then inspect the surface of that CAD model with non-contact inspection.